Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and I'm super excited to share this next product with you. This is from Columbus Craft Meats. This was featured in my holiday gift guide of favorite edible products to send this holiday season, and it is a custom charcuterie board set for you to send someone. Awesome corporate gift idea, awesome gift to send just about anyone. Also neat to order for your own parties, so you'll have everything that you need to set up a really, really amazing food platter. So as you can see, it comes in this box here. It was stacked together. We're going to take a look at these products first, and then I will show you the refrigerated products. Okay, so this is what your finished product is going to look like. You can put these boards together on just about anything, platters, wooden planks, whatnot. But look at this. Everything that comes in here, you're not even gonna have to go to the store. You're gonna have everything that you need. And that's why I also think that this would be such a neat gift to send, because you're literally sending someone everything that they'll need to enjoy during the holidays, which is a great time, obviously, for all of this stuff. So you've got your chocolate here, you've got the crackers, and then I'm gonna unbox everything that comes in the refrigerated portion of this box. I love how simple they make it. Everything there, I believe, is on ice. We'll get it out and take a look, and I'll show you what all that includes. Okay, here is a look at the refrigerated items. I'm gonna pull these out so we can see what all is in there. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is everything that came in the refrigerated portion of this box from Columbus Craft Meats. Everything you would need to buy at the store to put together your charcuterie board. How awesome is this? I love this as a gift idea because this just is so perfect for the holidays, and who wouldn't enjoy this? And it's just so nice always to have things to get out for company and friends. And I love consumables because they're great gifts for just about everyone. We all eat, and sometimes it's hard to know what to buy for people. You don't want things that clutter their home or things they don't need. What a practical, awesome gift idea. They have several different sizes and pricing options. I'm going to include all of that down below for you. I'm going to assemble our charcuterie board, and I will share pictures with you when I get that done. But for now, I really wanted to share this quickly because such a neat gift idea, and I ordered this just a few days ago. They arrived very quickly, and I love how the packaging was done. Still, the ice in there is still solid, and there's not a lot of waste in these boxes. Just beautifully done. Everything arrived so pretty. Love this as a high quality gift item to send, even to send to yourself. How cool is this? I will include links and all the information that you need down below. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.